Welcome to Visa's vlog, a homemaker's diary. This is the video for the young aspirants who wish to become a teacher in government schools in Tamil Nadu. Objective type of questions on English, American and Commonwealth literature will be a boost to the students of English literature. This video is also a moral booster for the students who aspire for any competitive examinations. Here is the syllabus with the first unit, that is Modern Literature Paper 1 Question Bank. Make use of the video and equip yourself to face any type of examinations in English literature. Each paper consists of 3 divisions as poetry, prose and drama. Some of them are for detailed study and some of them are for non-detailed study. Let us go for the syllabus first. Modern Literature, Paper 1. The year starts from 1400 to 1600. Poetry, for detailed study, Chaucer's Prologue to the Canterbury Tales, Spenser's Faerie Queene Book 1. For non-detailed study, Spenser's Prathalaamion and Epithalamion, Wyatt and Surrey's Selection in Peacock's English Verse Volume 1. Ballads, Peacock Volume 2. In prose, for detailed study, Bacon's essays as Of Truth, of Adversity, of Studies, of Revenge, of Ambition, of Friendship. Sidney's Apology for Poetry. For non-detailed study, the Bible, that is the book of Job. In drama, for detailed study, Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, and for non-detailed study, Keats' The Spanish Tragedy and Ben Jonson's The Alchemist. In Modern Literature, Paper 2, poetry for detailed study are John Donne's Canonization and the Ecstasy, Milton's The Paradise Lost, Book 9, Pope's The Rape of the Lock. For non-detailed study, Milton's Samson Agonis, Gray, Collins and Blake's Peacock's English Verse Volume 3, Herbert's Affliction,
The Pulli,
and Marvels to His Coy Mistress. And in prose, for detailed study, Johnson's Life of Milton. For non-detailed study, Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress and Fielding's Tom Jones. And in drama, for detailed study, Dryden's All for Love, Sheridan's The School for Scandal. For non-detailed study, Congreve's The Way of the World and Goldsmith She Stoops to Conquer. Modern Literature, Paper 3, Poetry, detailed study, William Wordsworth's Tinton Abbey, Coleridge's Ode to Dejection and Kubla Khan, Keats' Ode to Grecian Urn and Ode to Atom, Shelley's Ode to the West Wind. For non-detailed study, William Wordsworth's Prelude, Book 1, Shelley's Adone, and in prose, for detailed study, Lamb's Essays of Elia. In that book, we have Christ Hospital, The South Sea House, Dream Children, New Year's Eve, and William Hazlitt's My First Acquaintance with Poets. For non-detailed study, Shelley's A Defense of Poetry, William Wordsworth's Preface to the Lyrical Ballads, John Aston's Emma, and Emily Braunt's Wuthering Heights. Modern Literature, Paper 4. Poetry, for detailed study, Arnold's Dover Beach, The Scholar Gypsy, Browning's Andrea del Sarto, Tennyson's Maud de Arthur, W.B. Yeats' Byzantium, Eliot's The Waste Land. Poetry for non-detailed study are Hopkins' The Wreck of the Deutschland. The selections from D.G. Rossetti in Peacock's English Verse Volume 5, and the selection from Vaughan, W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender in the Faber Book of Modern Verse. In prose, for detailed study, Carlyle's The Hero as a Man of Letters, from On Heroes and Hero Worship, and Matthew Arnold's The Study of Poetry, and T.S. Eliot's Tradition and the Individual Talent. For non-detailed study, Dickens' Great Expectations, George Eliot's Middlemarch, Hardy's Jude the Obscure, Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse, Graham Greene's The Power and the Glory. In drama, for detailed study, T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral, G.B. Shaw's St. John. For non-detailed study, Synge's Riders to the Sea, and Beckett's Waiting for Godot. Next paper is Shakespeare. In Shakespeare, for detailed study, Macbeth, The Tempest. And for non-detailed study, Henry IV, Part 1, Measure for Measure, Antony and Cleopatra. The general knowledge of the other plays, poems and sonnets of Shakespeare is expected of the candidates. Next paper, American Literature. In American Literature, Detailed Poetry. Detailed Poetry studies Walt Whitman's Out of the Cradle Endlessly Rocking, Emily Dickinson's Because I could not stop for death. Robert Frost, Mending Wall, Birches, West Running Brook, and Sylvia Plath's Daddy. For non-detailed study, Walt Whitman's Passage to India, E. Cummings' The Cambridge Ladies, Hart Crant's To Brooklyn Bridge. In fiction, Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Melville's Moby Dick, Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea. And in prose, for detailed study, Emerson's The American Scholar, Faulkner's Nobel Prize acceptance speech, and for non-detailed study, Thoreau's Walden, James Thurber's The Owl in the Attic. And in drama, for non-detailed study, Eugene O'Neill's The Harry App, Arthur Miller's The Death of a Salesman. And for non-detailed study, Tennessee Williams' A Streetcar Named Desire, and Edwin Albee's Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf. The next paper is Indian Writing in English. Poetry, detailed study, Tagore's Gitanjali, Aurobindo's Thought, the Parcellin. For non-detailed study, poems of Sarojini Naidu and Toru Dutt from the Golden Treasury of Indian Poetry. Poems of A.K. Ramanujam, R. Parthasarathi, Kamala Das, and Nizam Izzaqul from 10-20th century Indian poets, edited by Parthasarathi. In fiction, Mulkraj Anand's Coolie, Rajaraw's Kantapura, R.K. Narayan's The English Teacher, Kamala Markandeya's A Handful of Rice. And in prose, for detailed study, Ananda Kumaraswamy's The Dance of Shiva. And for non-detailed study, Nehru's An Autobiography. And in drama, for detailed study, Tagore's Muktadara, Greece Karnad's Tughlaq. For non-detailed study, Guru Charan Das, Narayan Sahib. And in Commonwealth literature, poetry for non-detailed study are E.J. Prout's The Dying Eagle, Judith Wright's Fire in the Murdering Hut, The Cedars, Wool Soyinka's The Telephone Conversation, Abolis Nichols' The Meaning of Africa, A.D. Hope's Australia. And in drama, for detailed study, Wool Soyinka's The Lion and the Jewel. For non-detailed study, Douglas Stewart's Ned Kelly. And in prose, Chinua Achebe's The Novelist as Teacher. And in fiction, Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, and Alan Paton's Cry, the Beloved Country. The next paper is Approaches to Literature. In that we have modern drama, modern fiction, literary movements, literary criticism and theory, feminism, teaching of English in India, journalism and creative writing in English, postmodernism. The next paper is History of English Language. In that we have origin of language, place of English in the Indo-European family, general characteristics of Old and Middle English, the rise and the growth of modern English, growth of vocabulary, Greek, Latin, French, Italian, Scandinavian and other foreign influences, word formation, change of meaning, the makers of English, the Bible, Spencer, Shakespeare, Milton and Dr. Johnson, American English, Indian English, characteristics of modern English, spelling reform and the English lexicon. In linguistics, we have definitions, the nature and scope of linguistics, speech and writing, form and meaning, words, clause and phrase, concord, sentence pattern, phonology, morphology, idiolect, dialect, transformational, generative grammar. And in the principles of literary criticism, we have Aristotle's Poetics, Dryden's Essay of Dramatic Poesy, Coleridge's Biographia Literaria, Keats' Letters from English Critical Tradition, T.S. Eliot's Metaphysical Poets, I.A. Richards' Four Kinds of Meaning, William Ebson's The Seventh Type of Ambiguity, Northrop Frye's The Archetypes of Literature, L. Trilling's Sense of the Past, C. Brooks' Irony as a Principle of Sinecure, and Alan Datte's Tension in Poetry. So this is the syllabus for English literature students. Tomorrow we can see the objective type of questions for Modern Literature Paper 1 with the keys. Thank you everybody for your observation and for your
support.